All right, let's jump straight into this explainer. So, have you ever tried generating architectural concepts with AI and the results just look, well, a bit flat? Kind of lifeless? Today, we're going to fix that. We're looking at exactly how to take your AI architectural generations from totally basic to absolutely mind-blowing and cinematic. I'm talking about creating visuals that look like high-end architectural photography mashed up with premium, futuristic tech commercials. Because let's be real, when you're scrolling online and you see creators dropping these ultra-realistic luxury villas or these insane neon-drenched smart cities, you kind of have to wonder, right? You look at their stuff, then you look at yours, and you think, wait, are they using a better AI tool than me? Do they have access to some top-secret software the rest of us don't know about? Well, here's the crucial point. Absolutely not. Whether you're firing up Midjourney, Runway, or whatever your go-to tool is, the AI engine under the hood is largely the exact same. The secret sauce? These top-tier creators are just using a better prompting framework. It's a simple, three-step system that completely rewires how the AI interprets what you want, and the best part is, literally anyone can master it. So let's get right into it, with trick number 1, show the change. This first trick is all about shifting your prompt from a boring, static description into an active, dynamic journey. Notice the stark contrast here. If you just type luxury villa, the AI gets no story. It just spits out a generic building. But if you ask for a small old house transforming into a luxury villa, boom, you immediately give the AI a narrative. It blends the textures of the old structure with these sleek, modern upgrades, and you end up with a generation packed with incredible visual tension. And as you'll see, this brilliantly illustrates the exact same concept, just on a massive, epic scale. Ask for a future city, and you're going to get a pretty run-of-the-mill sci-fi skyline. But an old village transforming into a futuristic city? Now we're talking. The AI morphs rustic, historical architecture with blazing neon cyan cityscapes and towering modern skyscrapers. It creates a dynamic scene that is infinitely more interesting to look at. And hey, this doesn't just apply to massive exterior shots either. For luxury interiors, the exact same rule is absolutely crucial. Don't just describe the final room, describe the journey. An empty room transforming into a luxury modern bedroom forces the AI to really think about the space itself, the lighting, the layout, the actual process of filling it with high-end, photorealistic furniture. You're asking for a makeover, and that always delivers a much more dramatic, compelling image. All right, moving right along to trick number 2, direct the camera. Once you've got your transformation locked in, you need to decide exactly how the audience is going to view it. Essentially, you need to put on your Hollywood director hat. By using camera directing power words, think drone shot, aerial view, or street level view, you're explicitly telling the AI exactly where to put its virtual camera. Instead of just letting the AI guess the framing, you take total command. And instantly, your generation goes from looking like a random picture to feeling like a scene straight out of a blockbuster movie. It's honestly one of the easiest tricks you can pull off, but the impact is staggering. You can use the exact same transformation prompt, but just by swapping out street level view, for drone shot, you totally change the scale and drama. A street-level view makes those futuristic skyscrapers feel towering and super immersive, while a drone shot gives you this breathtaking, sweeping scale of an entire smart city coming to life. You're the director here. Now, for trick number 3, and this is my absolute favorite, use a magic word. Okay, so we have our story, and we framed our camera angle. Now we bathe your scene in pure realism, using some highly specific magic words. Adding terms like photorealistic, cinematic, or golden hour instantly upgrades the whole aesthetic. Drop golden hour in there, and the AI floods your scene with this warm, dramatic sunset lighting, hyper-detailed glass reflections, and volumetric light rays that just make everything look wildly expensive. You don't even need all of them. Dropping just one of these into your prompt fundamentally shifts the lighting and render quality. Okay, let's bring it all together for a bonus challenge, the ultimate prompt. Think of this as your foolproof, go-to visual production blueprint. Step 1, we start by showing the change, right? Creating that dynamic narrative. Step 2, we layer in our camera angle to take directorial control of the framing. And finally, step 3, we inject our magic word to crank the atmosphere and lighting all the way up to a 10. And here's what that actually looks like in practice. Abandoned village transforming into a futuristic smart city. Drone shot. Cinematic. I mean, just look at how perfectly layered that is. This specific sequence literally forces the AI to generate a photorealistic, awe-inspiring drone shot of an electric smart city rising up from an old village. It hits every single box. Luxury, future, technology, and transformation. It's the whole shebang. So now that you're armed with this ultimate 3-step framework for cinematic AI generation, the power is completely in your hands. You aren't just typing words into a box anymore, you're directing transformations. The only question left is, what incredible reality are you going to construct next? Are you going to transform a simple house into a modern luxury estate, or maybe turn a quiet little town into a glowing neon metropolis? Take this framework, test it out for yourself, and watch your generations absolutely come to life.